I decided to upgrade my VIVOHOME Water Distiller that was 4 liters to the 6 liter, and you can see it is quite larger. It's taller and the base is wider. The 6 liter has a handy handle that makes it easy to take off the top and place it back on. A beautiful stainless steel interior. And just a tip, whenever removing the top after you've run a cycle, don't ever turn the top upside down because the water can get inside into all the coils and working parts and destroy your unit. So when you remove the top, just always place it upright. Now when you run your unit for the first time, you're going to want to get rid of the first batch because it takes an entire cycle for the unit to clean properly, unfortunately. Now after you've run a cycle, if there's any stains left on the bottom of the tub, go ahead and clean it out with the supplied cleaner, or you can just use your own citric acid. I like to just drizzle in some apple cider vinegar and let that sit, and it just wipes clean. So it takes about a half an hour for you to start getting your first drops and about 4 hours to complete a cycle. When this cycle is done, I prefer to take the water that's in the tub and transfer it into a water dispenser. Just makes it easier to dispense the water. I enjoy my VIVOHOME Distiller. My 4 liter gave me about 3.5 years of no trouble, and I'm looking forward to being able to generate more water at a time with the 6 liter model.